your nose. Well, I suppose you wanna go where the in crowd goes and know everything the in crowd knows. Saying everything right, you keep your image tight with everyone you meet and greet. But the truth of it all is that it's easy to fall if you can stand on your own fucking feet. You're so busy kissing everyone's ass, you haven't noticed that your nose is brown. Well, you're the clown of the town, but you think you're going up. Well, I can promise you you're going down. So stop wasting your time, because you're way out of line. It's all imaginary fame. You're not wearing a crown, and the only place you'll ever be famous in is your own brain. 15 minutes of being famous, a whole lifetime of being nameless. 15 minutes of being famous, on your way to fame. A whole lifetime of being nameless. You made yourself a name. Someone always has to lose his seat so that somebody else can win. And I really don't think that you're smart enough to understand which seat you're in. You can't win if you're not strong enough to stand for something, cause someone else will stand on you. No matter what you do, all you're ever gonna be is just another asset they can screw. 15 minutes of being famous, you're on your way to fame. A whole lifetime of being nameless. You made yourself a name. 15 minutes of being famous, spotlight is aimed at you. A whole lifetime of being nameless. And it's somebody new. You suck celebrity cock so you can make it to the top. You cooperate whatever the vice, but when you reach the top, all you can do is drop, and that's when you stop paying the price. It's paradise when you go from rags to wearing riches. Suddenly everyone is your friend, but the money only talks while your legacy walks, and then you're back to wearing rags again. 15 minutes of being famous, you're on your way to